This is the C7 chord. Hi, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com to teach you the C7 chord. So the C7 chord is basically a C major with the added 7th right there. And that is your pinky on the 3rd fret of the G string. And strum all strings nice and slow. And make sure you don't have any dead notes or any strings buzzing. And in case you do, just double check your fingers. Make sure that all your fingers are up against the metal frets as far as possible, and you're not muting any of the adjacent strings. Also, you want to make sure that your fingers are not laying down like this, because then you'll just be muting all the strings. You want them to arch up nicely like that, okay? Now to practice the C7, let's use the chord on, chord off technique as we always do. So you'll want to first of all form the chord, strum your strings, it's chord on, take your chord off, wiggle your fingers a bit, and then put your fingers back into that exact chord shape. And that's how you play the C7 chord.